Hello everyone and welcome to another Looker Studio tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to change your Google Search Console. All you have to do is to come here and click on Page on top left hand side, then go to Current Page Settings, and here from the right hand side under Setup column, under Data Source, you're going to click, you're going to say Add Data, and you are going to find Google Search Console. So one easy way to do it is to type Search Console here in the search bar. Then you're going to select Search Console. You're going to select the account that you want to connect. And here you need to select URL impression and web. The reason why we need to select URL impression and web is because these data will match exactly your Google Search Console. The number of impressions, clicks, your click-through rate, your average position will be exactly the same with your Google Search Console with this setting here. So you come here, you say add, then you make sure that you are using this data source here at the page level, and that's it. Everything for individual tables, for individual graphs. There is also a way to click, for example, on a scorecard or a chart or a table, and then the same drill, you go on the right hand side under Setup column, under Data Source, and you can connect here a different data source. But if you do it like this, then you're going to come here at Page, click Current Page Settings. Again, under Setup, under Data Source, you click here, Add Data, you find Search Console, you select your Search Console, and that's it. That's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.